here's the next project. Same thing as the last one. Got a split in half, put a ring gear in it. It shouldn't be too bad. Some of this electrical might be a pain in the ass because it's running all over the place and no disconnecting spots that I see. So that's going to be a big pain in the ass. The rest of it shouldn't be too bad. I think I'm going to have to modify my splitting cart to go into the transmission because a little different. And I got to put my gantry end to hang the engine from side and front end. Got to take the hood off because the cart's right in the damn way. They got no plugs. It's so extensive. Either it goes all the way up into the dash or it goes all the way up into the front. Yeah, that's gonna suck. But I'm gonna have to let at least some of the antifreeze out because the temp sender can't disconnect that. So I was thinking I could, but it used to have electronic sender in it with electronic gauge. Don't work anymore, so went manual. So this thing has been put off way too long. Starter isn't engaging on anything anymore in some spots. Been put off way too long because this has been doing it for like 6 years. Hood's off. Starter off. Counted the ring gear teeth to make sure I have the right ring gear. Appears to be. You can never tell with these things if you can get the right parts. They made so many different models and years, and parts are okay to get. I wouldn't say they're great or they're horrible. I guess I'll take the drive shaft off now. And I did shut the fuel tanks off. I gotta take the fuel line off, some of the oil pressure lines, and start tracking down the electrical, which I think I've unhooked most of it, besides the horn and whatever the hell this box is. Lord knows what it is. I've got the lights all unhooked. See if I can. I should be able to leave actually all the light stuff for the most part. Well, I got pretty much everything unhooked. Got the cart bolted right up. Thought I'd have to modify the mounts, but no. Dowel pins, what it does. Well, one side does, one side doesn't. Or at least this side's coming, the dowel pin pulled out. That might have to be fixed. No? Well, I guess I figured it right. Dumbass has got to build it backwards. Well, they should. Needs to have the dowel pins in this side, not in this side. They have it in this side. Then we keep these rails aligned better. But they can't ever build it out. It should. And of course, this thing is the crudest thing ever. So. Oh, steer shaft. Steer shaft coming off? That might be my problem. No. Find where I put my pry bar. Damn it, of course this had to fall out. No good way to put wood blocks in suspension. Steer shaft coming off. Slide on top of that four-wheel drive gearbox. There we go. Stick. Well, that's a little cargo cable. Now I fish all this wiring with it. It's in a steel guard, so you can't just pull it out easily. comparison, the new one and the old one, I think this is one of the worst spots. Looks in decent shape. Good chili. This thing I don't think has maybe a couple thousand hours on the tractor. I wouldn't say it's got a hard couple thousand hours by any means. It's pretty easy in life. It's only really a second owner tractor. Clutch looks good. Grease all over it. Need that. Flywheel looks. It's got a couple of warmer spots. Probably slipping the clutch at times or something. Not bad by any means. No ridges or grooves, wore in it. Looks pretty good. Yeah, these things. I think those are bolts through the ring gear or through the flywheel. Yeah. Probably. I can just leave them in because I got to just knock the ring gear off, which means I got to take the flywheel off, which I do. Sorry. Same as clutch. At least now you have a pilot shaft on them. Oh shit, this thing. There we go. Yeah, I love these extendable ratchets. What is it? A Nico or whatever it is? Off Amazon. You beat the daylights out of them and they take it. And they don't cost a fortune. Like $20 instead of $200 or $300 from Snap-on or some Mac or something. Yeah, that ain't gonna happen for one ratchet. But you got the same ones. And he does it for a living, just the same as me. This big behemoth, come on here. Come on. Whoa. This crate doesn't get heavy. It's heavier than I expected. Well, it's the correct ring gear. Exactly the same, it's just not junk. Moving. Go. Whew. I would have went on there if I just tapped it, but I wasn't taking any chances of screwing up. Keep it nice and hot. You don't want to get them too hot, like glowing red hot. Keep an even heat to them, but you can't get them, or you want to get them nice and hot so you don't screw them up. Because I haven't personally seen them done, but my dad just talked about guys breaking them, or heating them, warping them, doing all kinds of stupid stuff to them that they shouldn't do. But that went on perfect. This one's just a really fat ring gear compared to anything we've done. There we go. Solve that problem. Just going all the way. That's going all the way. Alright, let's let that cool off. What they call it sweating. Sweating on the ring gear. Heat it up and then it'll shrink tight. And it won't come off of it. The only way to get it off is exactly how you saw me take the other one off. I mean, you could cut it off, but why? It's what, you just knock them off. I'm back redoing the same job. Because Dad just messed around with it last night, the two of us. This is why I never assemble anything when you're tired and in the dark, half dark. Because never assume anything. Because the clutch plate was on. Never assume anything. Because he kept turning the clutch plate around and I didn't mark it. And I knew which way it was supposed to be, but then we got thing going, well, maybe it goes the other way. Good thing I didn't assemble it because I put it together here and I do my normal check over, double check everything, and it was backwards. The way I thought it went was the correct way. Not when somebody else said, well, maybe it goes this way, then you just get yourself confused. So, I turned it off, put it on the right direction. It just barely touches when you compress the clutch. Just barely touches the flywheel and leaves a slight gap on the clutch. So it's put pressure on the flywheel, not on the clutch plate. Which is what I was afraid of. Always double check, make sure. Now this is a big pain in the ass to do by yourself. I'm trying to slide the wire harness back in. And they keep rolling away. You should lock the wheels. And where'd you go, center? Come on. Stay. And slide back our belongs, yeah. Come on. So jump back. Yeah, all right. Push it. You got some. Well, I got it slid back together. That was a pain in the ass. Little by little by little got together. Never truly just slid together like I've had previous ones do. This was a pain in the ass, but it slid together correctly. Just was a pain in the ass one. Splines are real snug. So if you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.